want to take some of your questions. And I'm told, Jonathan, I'm supposed to talk, recognize you first. I'm sorry, I'm going to get in trouble with staff if I don't do this the right way. Jennifer Jacobs, Bloomberg. I'm going to get in trouble with my staff. Yeah, go ahead, but I pretend that you didn't answer you. We live by the light of the flame of liberty. They kept burning. We're free because they were brave. Here on these gentle rolling green hills and across America and around the globe lie buried the heroes of the greatest experiment the world has ever known, ever seen. The experiment bears the noble name, the United States of America. Thank you. And I'm happy to take questions if that's what I'm supposed to do, Nance, whatever you want me to do.